to another episode of Creative Wednesday. I've mentioned that I wanted to make more BT21 DIYs in the previous tutorials that I've made, so this week I'm going to show you how to make BT21 inspired coasters. I've played Puzzle Star BT21, so I was inspired to make these. I've made one for each character. There's Cookie, Shuki, Tata, RJ, Chimmy, Mang, Ben, and of course Koya. These are pretty easy to make, so alright, let's get started.
You will need 8 cork coasters, that is 9.5 by 9.5 centimeters, Mod Podge, a paintbrush or sponge applicator, scissors, paper, and a printer. Start off by printing out the templates. You can find the links to the templates down in the description box below. Now that you have your templates, cut them out. Great! Now apply the Mod Podge onto the entire surface of the coaster. Place on the template and smooth out all the air bubbles. Apply more Mod Podge onto the entire surface. You want to make sure that you cover all the edges as well. It will now look like this. Set it aside to dry. Don't worry, the glue will dry clear. Repeat the steps for the remaining coasters. Apply Mod Podge, place on the template, smooth out all the air bubbles, and apply more Mod Podge. Set it aside to dry completely. Repeat the steps a few more times for the remaining coasters. They will now look like this once they are completely dry. I would suggest to let them dry for at least 2 days. Your BT21 Puzzle Star inspired coasters are now completed.
I hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Creative Wednesday. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. I have a few more BT21 DIYs planned, so be sure to subscribe to see when I upload them. If you have any suggestions on what DIYs I should make next, do let me know down in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! This is quite random, but I've finished level 187. Waiting for them to release the next episode. Oh! While I'm at it, let's spin the gacha, shall we? Yay! Okay. Hope I get something good. What could it be? Wow! Cool look cookie.